Hello, my name's Christian, and this week we went through relays.
My name is Parvinder. I came here to Delmi Institute to get the second course of electronics.
Hi, I'm Dalva Fliban. I'm here at Delmi Training Institute.
We learned how to connect relay to relay, connect relay to power supplies, connect different objects to power supplies like LED lights, door strikes, mag locks, strobe lights, alarms, sirens, all kinds of things. And then we even learned how to use relay timers, and some of us learned how to use the 24-hour timer too. I've been loving it so far. So I got my motion detector, and when there's no motion in front of it, I want the fan to be blowing, the door strike to be locked, and the strobe to be off. But when there's motion in front of the sensor, I want the fan to stop, the strobe to start flashing, and the door to be unlocked.
Okay, so can you plug it in and let's see how it works?
So there's no motion and the fan's on.
Okay, can we see the fan? Oh, yeah, so the fan is on. So the fan is going to be consistently on. Okay, and what happens?
And then when I motion in front of it, the strobe turns on and the door unlocks. Now the door's unlocked and the strobe's on.
So the strobe is going to continue to remain on
Until there's no motion.
until no motion, so long as you keep your hands on the wave sensor.
This was a totally new domain for me. Electronics was not my part, but I can say like in these three days, I am confident enough that I know stuff. I can like build stuff that 3 days ago I would never like imagine about. So
okay, so this is the ideal state that we want all the parts to be. So like my the strike is in locked state right now, the fan is off, and I have a green light that is off, and the red light is on, and the strobe light is blinking. So this means no one is at home right now. So when someone comes in, it turns on the switch, and I get my strike off. So it's now anyone can come in. My fans are on. It just works for 15 seconds because we are just like set it up as accordingly, as there is a timer also included in it. And then I gave it the power to the strike on a separate relay because I don't want to like include all the things in one relay because of the power. So this is only using as a 24 volt, and all devices are working on 12 volts DC. And this is with my switch, and there is another relay that's got a timer also on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Excellent. So the switch that you're using, is that controlling your timer relay or the other relay? What's the chain of command?
Like if I turn it on, it will turn on this particular timer.
Okay.
And also it will give power to the another relay.
Excellent. Okay, so that's the chain.
Gives, yeah.
Good. I love it. Does the strike turn back on after the 15 seconds?
Yes, it's on.
Awesome. All right.
Here
Beautiful.
goes to there. Okay, there the DC voltage comes from here. So this is something that I want to see visually.
It's open.
Yeah. So now we know that this is working.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Within this electronic course, it has been 3 days, and we have been doing different things, mostly relays, electromechanic relays, mostly with some embedded with a timer.
Can you explain what you just did with your circuit right here?
Momentary switch
Yep.
and a relay with a timer and 2 power sources. When I hit it, it energize the relay. Then when
How do you know that the relay is energized?
because you can see this flashlight, which
Yeah.
indicates that the relay is energized, and you can hear the sound of click inside the relay. Now the relay is de-energized, the lights off, and the fan is working.
Okay, so in this case, when the relay is de-energized, the fan starts to work.
Yeah, which means that the fan is connected normally. Close it.
Yep. I see you've tried so many circuits since you came in. You've been trying so many different stuff. How did it all go? You've pretty much worked with all the different types of relay. You used another relay to trigger another relay.
Yeah, relay is like ocean. They never end this, but you can do a lot of different things, a lot of amazing things. So you can pull your own logic, thinking about how things can work one after. And we have tried software relays. They are mostly electromechanic relays, and yeah, we are very good with it.
How many circuits are you using?
Right now we're using 2 relays.
Yep.
One relay is 24 volts to close the door. So the door now is closed. Then now it's open.
But the timer you're using is a 12 volts timer.
Yeah.
So how are you able to accomplish a 24 volts on that 12 volts timer?
Yeah, the timer we use it to another relay, which the normally open of this 12 volt relay with a timer will trigger, and that one will handle the 24 volts.
So where is that other relay you're using?
It's right here, this one. This relay. So this is the normally closing of 12 volt from the other relay, which will trigger, and this is the 24 volt strike power supply, which will be connected when the relay is triggered, and will give power to the strike, and strike will open it.
Do you have any knowledge about relays and all these things that you guys are doing today?
No. This is new world. It's amazing. Electronics, yeah, it's very different from electricity, and they are very small things. You need they have dim switches which you can program. You have some check to cut it if you want another scenarios. So yeah, amazing.
One I want to work on still is connecting the 2 trigger relays together and getting it to where one input can talk to another relay's input, but if that input isn't on, then the relay won't connect to it, but if it's open, then the relay will talk to it.
So pretty much you just want to do 2 switches in series.
Yes.
So they both have to be on for the trigger to happen. Is it working?
Yeah.
So, and you think you figured out how to do it?
I'm pretty sure I did.
Pretty sure?
Yeah, I was gonna put it together.
Were you sure you would have been able to do it 2 days ago?
No way.
No way?
No way.
All right, what do we got here?
So we got the door contact, that when it's closed like that, the red light's on, the red strobe's on, and the door strikes locked. The fan's off, the white light is off, and the blue strobe is off, as well as the green light here.
Excellent. And then what happens?
And then when you open the door contacts, like just reactivate the switch, the blue light turns on, the green light turns on, the fan turns on, and the white light turns on, and the door strike is unlocked.
Very good. I love it. Now here's a question. Did you use your timer for this?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so what's on the timer?
I'm pretty sure it's 30 seconds, and everything goes back to red.
Okay, so let's wait. Ooh, very nice. Nicely done.
So timer one was like a little bit challenging for me because I needed to add a stuff that will trigger after some time, and I had to think like how I could do it. So yeah, that was a little bit challenging for me, but others were a little bit, I think, simpler to learn.
I'm now more confident that I will have the mental strength to design and manipulate the things that I learn in the course, and use it in a way to customize and also put a different options and give the customers what they can choose from, and help them design what they want in case they have their design in mind, or otherwise have to barbose and create a design and think and put in test if it really works. So that's the things.
If I told you, if I did meet you on the street and I told you that give me 3 days and I'll teach you everything about relays, and you did not know me and I told you this, that I'll teach you in 3 days, what was going to be your response?
No, I wouldn't say, oh, come on, man. Really, anyone interested in electronics and security, CCTV, I would recommend to take their chance here at Delaney School, and really they will not be disappointed. That
Anyone watching Parminder?
Click the subscribe button, the like button.
Yeah, did you hear that? He said anyone watching, you got to click the subscribe button.